So normally, lots of people would copy and paste data. Let's say we want to copy every single data, every single value in this profits column, want to put it in this other column here, right? So what normal people would do lots of times is to click on this Control C, come here and press Control V, right? And it goes on Control C here, Control V, and all that. Now, why that is cool, but it takes a whole lot of time, right? It takes a whole lot of time. So I'm going to show you a quick way to do this using Flash Fill. Instead of copying and pasting one by one manually or bulk copying and pasting, we're just going to do this. We click on this, we copy, Control C, come here, press enter, and we get our values. So then we're going to come to this down right of this value here, this $1,005. We're going to come here, put this here, click on it and drag it down to fill the whole row where we want this value to be copied to, right? So we're going to click on this and drop it, and just like that, everything from here is copied here. No formula needed, no long process, just simple and short using the Flash Fills. So you want to use this whenever you have to copy paste data from one row or from one column to the other. You want to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Bye.